Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Binance on iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To log into Binance using your iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded Binance application. Once you have it, tap it open. The first interface of Binance will look like this. To log into your account, tap the sign up/login button. You can either enter your email address along with your password or your phone number along with your password to log into Binance account. Select any one option. In my case, I've chosen the email option. Type in your email address into the email text box. On the next field, type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in your credentials correct every time you log into your account. In case you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, after you are done typing in your credentials, tap the login button in yellow. Complete the security verification puzzle by dragging the slider. You'll need to complete the security verification in order to log into your account. Right where it says phone verification code, you'll need to type in the security code that will be sent to your mobile number. Tap on Get Code on the right hand side and wait for the verification code to arrive on your mobile number that is associated with Binance. Once you receive it, type it in and you'll be logged into your Binance account right away. That is how you can easily log into your Binance account using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.